The damage here is consistent with the initial impact. I'm getting a good read on the structural integrity around the hub. Let's mark this section and move to the fuselage. I think the structural stress is highest here.
Agreed. Let's reinforce section B7.
Copy that. We'll secure the perimeter first.
The signal is strong here.
Confirming coordinates on the tablet.
I'm getting a perfect angle of the cockpit.
The engine appears structurally sound, but the casing is heavily corroded. I agree. We'll need to stabilize it before attempting to move it. Readings...
All right, let's get the main generator set up here. Copy that. We've got structural damage near the nose cone.
Keep clearing around the wing, Sarah.
Got it. Watch that vine near the landing gear. Saw is ready over here. Move the crate. Keep it steady. To the left now. Clear. Watching the swing. Now, start leveling that dirt up to the wheel well. Got it. Slow and easy. Keep the pressure steady. Character C. Got it. Character B. Focus on the wing edge. On it. Moving the vines now. Keep scrubbing there. The buffer is making a dent. Almost done up here. Incredible progress.
The readings indicate structural weakness near N12.
Copy. Marking it now.
I'm detecting a resonance near the engine mount.
The readings indicate this section. Clear out those seats. Buckets ready. Keep grinding on the overhead beam. I'm moving on to this section now. Watch out for those sparks, mate. Keep it steady there. All right, lowering the hood. Needs more penetration here. Set those down right there. Right, I'll join them up. Grab that panel, we need it next. All right, bring that frame over.
Almost there.
Almost there. Watch the clearance, just a little more. Set it down. Perfect, we're on schedule. Okay, that wire is clear. Checking the voltage now. Needs to go a little deeper.
All right, Aero Aqua ready for testing. Connecting the main lines now. Initiating water flow sequence. Clear on the left.
Cable check is complete.
Setting the parameters now.
Authorization confirmed.
The view out here is just breathtaking.
I know, it's something truly special.
Cheers to that. To our incredible hosts.